Hello friends, today we will discuss about the Python operators. Operators are used to perform the operation on the variable and values. These are some different operators. As you can see, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operator, logic operators, identity operators, member operators, bitwise operators. Let's see the arithmetic operators are used with numeric value to perform common mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and 50 divided by 5 will give you 10. 5 modulo 2 will give you 1. 5 divided by 2 will result in 2.5, but modulo operator give you remainder 2 into 2 plus 1. Okay, that plus 1 is this, and this is an exponential. 2 to the power 3 is an 8. 5 dividend 2 means 5 divided by 2 will give you a division of 2, and if you will take 8 over here you will get 4. Okay, and if you will pass 9 you will get same 4. Assignment operator are used to assign value to the variable like x equals to 4, then x 4, this is written as this, x equals to x plus 2. This we will pass x equals to 4 is here. 4 plus 2 will give you 6. Okay, 6, and then 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 into 2 will give you 8. 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. 4 modulo 2 will give you how much? 0. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2, and 2 to the power 2 will give you 4. 4 modulo 2 will give you 0, and x equals to 8. 8 over with 2 will give you 10, and not will give you 8, and left shift will give you 2, and the right shift of that will give you 8. Right shift 2 times, left shift 2 times. It is like this. In binary we represent 8 as this. This is 8. If you will shift 2 times to the towards right, now it become 2. If you will shift 2 times to the left hand side, then it will become again 8. Okay, comparison operators compare two values. Okay, and this is a assign operator. A is equal to b. False is not equal. A is not equal to b. A is greater than b. No. False. A is less than b. True. A is greater than equal to b. False. A is less than equal to b. True. Logic operators. Logic operators are used to combine conditional statement. If x equals to 4, y equals to 9. Now, if both of them result in true, then only the answer will be the true. It's an AND operator. X is less than 7, y is greater than 4. X is less than 7, true. Y is greater than 4, true. Now answer will be true. For next statement, x is greater than 2 or y greater than 4, true. Then answer will be true. And not of true is always false. Identity operators. Identity operators are used to compare the object, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. Okay, it's false and it will be true because these have different memory locations. Now see, x equals to membership operators. X equals to have a list of string hello Shubham. Okay, hello is in x, it will return true. Yes, it's present in the x. Okay is not in the x, it will return false because it's present in that. If you will change this one, now it will return true. Yes, it is not present. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operator are used to compare the number with binaries. 7 is equals to in binary 0111, 4 in binary 0100. If we will do 7 and 4, and means both should be true. This will be false, this will be false, this will be true, and this will be true. So 0100 means the answer should be 4. Okay, same goes for OR operator. If one of them is true, then answer will be the true. Means true, 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 true. Means the answer is 7. And this is a XOR. Means where number of ones are rolled, the answer will be ones. True, true, false, false means 3. Okay. And complement of 4 is, sorry, we have to put it over here. -5. Okay. And if you will shift left shift of 4, 8, 8 in binary is 1000, and if you will shift one more time towards left, then it will become 16. Okay. And right shift of 4 will be will 4 is this. If you will right shift, then 0 will be removed and it will become 2 in binary. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please share and comment below. Hit the subscribe button for more update. See you guys tomorrow.